Hey guys, so for 4th of July today, I am just going to be doing a random 4th of July themed video. So, I don't think the Freedom Party is on right now. No, it's the Bounce House Party. So, here we go. Let's make it the Restaurant Den. Night Sky Walls. More aesthetically pleasing. We need fireworks. Firework. 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 Boom! Firework! Firework! And final firework. Need these. Let's place these in the squares there. There we go. Now we need some flamingos to watch them. Oh, got rid of my firework there. There we go. Further apart. There we go. Green flamingo. Green flamingo. Purple flamingo. There, we need our flamingos here. Let's use pink for the blue because I don't have blue flamingos. There's our flamingos. 3 of benches. Okay, 1 bench. 2 bench. Should I have more flamingos or should I have pets? I think I'm gonna put more flamingos. This flamingo. Flamingos. I have no idea why I have so many flamingos. I didn't originally plan for them to all watch fireworks. But oh, look at that. They get to watch fireworks. Okay, there we go. There's our flamingo fireworks. Oh, wait, we need food. There we go, smoothie machine. No, the smoothie machine can go in the kitchen where the other food goes. There. 4th of July feast. Hi. Do you want to watch fireworks? Okay, if you put a flamingo, put something on trade. You can have a little flamingo. What color do you want? I think the pink are my favorite. I have it. They can watch fireworks too. Okay, I'm gonna have them pick 3. You can have flamingos too. Well, I don't have gray, but I have black, so I'll give you that. Here's a pink. Here's a black, and here. That's a great color combination. Okay. Sorry, those are like 2 colors I don't have. Oh, I was talking about flamingos. Do you want flamingos? I'll let this person have flamingos too. Okay. Do they want to trade away the stuff on trade? You know what? Since I have this book, I'll also trade them the book. Red. This is my last black, so I hope that this next person doesn't want black. And then mystery and trivia. Oh, there's another person. They can have flamingos too. We all get flamingos. Um, no, I'm okay. Hi. Okay, let's ask this person. That person has a good freedom outfit. I don't have any of those. I just have these colors. Okay, since I have this spike, I'll trade them the red along with the spike. How could you say no to that? It's free stuff. You're welcome. I love giving people flamingos. And with that, I think I'm going to be wrapping up. Well, I hope you guys had a great 4th of July. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day and stay awesome.